Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Dodge Ram 1505. 9. First, gather your tools, including a drain pan and new coolant. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin. For safety, disconnect the negative battery cable. Then, carefully drain the entire cooling system into a proper container, which typically holds about 16 quarts of fluid. This crucial first step prevents spills and ensures a safer working environment. Now, let's get to removing the old pump. Begin by releasing the tensioner and carefully removing the serpentine belt from all pulleys. Next, unbolt and remove the fan shroud, followed by the cooling fan assembly itself. Be sure to keep track of all hardware. Then, disconnect any hoses connected to the water pump, such as the upper and lower radiator hoses. Finally, remove the mounting bolts that secure the old water pump to the engine block, typically around 6 to 8 bolts. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal. Apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant to both sides of the new gasket, then carefully position it. Now, mount the new water pump, ensuring proper alignment. Hand tighten the mounting bolts, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, which is often around 30 foot-pounds, in a crisscross pattern. You're almost done. Reconnect all hoses to the new water pump and reinstall the fan assembly and shroud. Carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly seated on all pulleys. Now, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, thoroughly inspect for any leaks around the new water pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.